Do you want to do some kind of Instagram photos? Well, this video is for you guys. I am teaching you guys how to be unique on Instagram and stuff like that. Today I'm out here to make Instagram photos. I'm gonna teach you guys a couple of tips and tricks what you can do with a phone reflection on the camera for Instagram. So here we go. First thing you'll need is a camera. For example, mine is a DSLR right now. So, and a phone. Just another phone, your phone you have in your pocket. This is my old phone. I'm recording on my new phone, so yeah. Anyway, so let's grab the DSLR. Let's set the frame. So I'll be right back. So first thing you want to do is grab the DSLR camera. If you wear sunglasses, take them off. So first you set the frame. You change this always on like that. Make sure the tulip is on like that. I think I set the frame right, so then we grab this thing and we put it on the side like that. Go. There we go. That's a beautiful picture right there. I'll post that one right there. And it's also going to be on Instagram, which link is down below on the description. Under the description, you can press it on that link and then you can go straight to my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I post a bunch of stuff on Instagram, videos as well, photos as well. So yeah, there's little shorts of my video that are going to be coming up and all that. I post those all on Instagram. So, oh wait, the picture is done. Let me just check it really quickly. So you can do a bunch of stuff with a phone. You can do it on all sides. I preferably prefer to put it on the left and on the bottom because, well, your right hand's for shooting. So anyways, I'm gonna set the frame now and I am gonna do it on the bottom for this time. So make sure the screen is facing the lens. So you grab the camera like this. My sunglasses, whoops. Make sure if you're wearing sunglasses when you're looking through a camera, make sure you take them off because you don't see true color and all that, so with the sunglasses. So anyways, I am setting the frame now. Make sure your thumb is on like this so you don't see your thumb on the screen. Yeah, I like that picture. The picture is gonna be right there. So next photo will be something with sunglasses, but I'm gonna change location for that. So anyways, so for this one you want sunglasses and a tripod. The tripod is going to help you with this kind of stuff because this one is kind of hard to do with the sunglasses. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the camera down first. First find the flower you want to take, so the one that looks the best. I am going to take this one here, which is like right there, really near the camera. I can show you really quickly. So that's the flower I'm going to take. So yeah, I'm going to put my camera down right near you guys, right there. There we go. So camera is down there, aiming on that flower. So let me just put you guys there so you can see. So this is the flower I'm gonna take, so right there. Make sure the lens cap is off when you start to take, and the batteries should be in the camera always. Okay, so there we go, batteries are in. Now we grab our sunglasses and we go look for the perfect spot. So you make sure you focus it on the flower first. And make sure it's on a timer, because when it's on a tripod, the tripod moves a little bit. As you see, the camera is moving when you hold it a little bit. So make sure it's on a timer, and then once the timer engages, you let go. So let me just come in here. I like to Okay, this tulip's not gonna work today. I can't find the perfect shot because I can't hold it the way how I want it to. So it goes a bunch of stuff. It is so uncomfortable, guys, but it's for the shot, right? Yeah, I think this can be perfect. Okay, timer is engaged, so let's just now hold it like that. Okay, now let's hopefully... Okay, well, it seems like a pretty good shot. I'll post it right there. So it seems like a pretty good shot, but I'm just gonna take it one more time just to make sure. So I think that these little things, whoops, sorry. I think these little things are gonna be pretty nice to have in your photos on Instagram and stuff like that. It's something that not a lot of people do, so it stands out from the rest of the crowd. And well, yeah, anyways, if I think of another idea that I can share in this video, well, I will. If I don't, well, then this is gonna be the wrap. So this video has come to an end, so please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'll hope to see you guys in the next video. See you guys. So do you guys ever wonder how truck drivers dry their clothes after they wash them? Well, here you go. I'll show you guys. This, my friend, is how they dry clothes in China on a truck.